Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Astrology. Today we are going to talk about Mrigasira Nakshatra, and it is the fifth nakshatra of out of total 27 nakshatras defined in Vedic astrology. So we have so far discussed till Rohini Nakshatra. We have discussed four nakshatras. So if you want to know about all these nakshatras which we have discussed, you can uh, go and see those videos. And if you are not familiar with the basics of the nakshatras and if you are not familiar with the information that about degrees, if you don't know what are degrees, how nakshatras and pad are being divided in Vedic astrology, how many pad are there in a particular nakshatra, and how many nakshatras are there in a particular zodiac sign. If these things you don't know and you are not familiar with, you just go and visit my uh, Ashwini Nakshatra video. You just see that video and you will be able to know that what are each of these things and how they are defined in Vedic astrology. I have told these things in the most simple manner, and everyone can be able to understand that in a very simple way. So let's start. And if any viewer who wants to view this whole video in Hindi can check out the link shown below, and he will be able to watch this whole video in Hindi as well. So let's start and proceed for our this new video about Mrigasira Nakshatra. So this is the fifth nakshatra of total 27 constellations. Our total 27 nakshatras are there. So this is the fifth one, and its ruler is Mars. Mars is the ruler of Mrigasira Nakshatra. Then the total the total degree wise division of this nakshatra is that it is spread over from 23 degree 20 minutes Taurus to 6 degree 40 minutes Gemini. That is, it is spread between Taurus as well as Gemini. So in late Taurus degrees, that is after 23 degrees from 23 to 30 degrees, it is in Taurus, and from 0 to 6 degrees 40 minutes it is in Gemini. So this is the whole total spread of this nakshatra in the degrees. So it is it's some portion is in Taurus sign and rest of the portion is in Gemini sign. So now let's talk about what is its symbol. Its symbol is a deer's head. Mrigasira. Mrig in Hindi means a deer, and Sira is the head. So Mrigasira means its symbol is a deer's head. Then what does this symbolize, and what are the various qualities of a Mrigasira native? That a native, by native I mean that a person's moon is placed in Mrigasira Nakshatra, not any other planet. I am here talking about moon's placement in Mrigasira Nakshatra. Any other planet can be placed, and if any planet is placed in Taurus in between 23 degrees to 30 degrees, then that planet is sitting in Mrigasira Nakshatra. Or if any planet is sitting in Gemini and has degrees between 0 to 6 degree 40 minutes, then that planet is sitting in Mrigasira Nakshatra, because it is the total spread of Mrigasira Nakshatra that it covers. So let's now discuss that what are the various traits, what are the various characteristics of a person who is Mrigasira, whose Mrigasira Nakshatra is very prominent in his horoscope. His moon is setting in Mrigasira Nakshatra. So let's talk about that. As its symbol is a deer's head, and deer is an animal which wanders everywhere in search of something. So these people are very are in search of something. They are seeking something throughout their life. They are in search of a goal. They are in search of an aim. Their life is to seek for an aim. Their life is to seek for a certain lesson in so these people are always searching and seeking for something. Then These people are very curious. Their nature is very curious. They want to know each and everything. So they are very curious. Their curiosity is very high. Then these people are the people who are very fickle. They are inconstant because their mind is just not constant in a particular direction, so they move from one thing to another and switch over between the tasks. They do not stick to one thing properly. Then this nakshatra helps them, the Mrigasira Nakshatra helps the people in knowing their life's path, in knowing their life's motive, what for what motive they have been born on this earth. These motive, they will be getting their motive, they will be getting their life's path, for what purpose are they here. So this nakshatra helps them in getting that, in knowing that. And these people are very good at their mind. They are very sharp, their mind is very sharp. And so they are very good at doing all sorts of mental work. And they so and their physical plane is very, not, I will not say weak, but their physical plane is not so strong. So they are a bit lethargic and lazy, but and their mental plane is very strong. Then these, the appearance of these people, they will have a thin body, they have youthful features, and their manners are always gentle. So these are the people, they have appearance like this. Then these people are daydreamers. These people are daydreamers, they dream a lot. And these people are very charming and enthusiastic. They do a task with full effort, and if it is a task of dealing with some mental effort, then they do it with a much effortless ease as well. So these people are also very good at conversation and all sorts of communication. These people are very good at it. They are very good talkers. And the Mrigasira natives are very shy also. They do not mix very easily in the among the people, so they are very shy. Then these people are very good satirists. uh, they are very good at satire, and their sense of humor is very good. They have a distinguished sense of humor other than general population, so their sense of humor is very good. And these people, what this Mrigasira Nakshatra, bad quality in sense, in the sense is that they have a very suspicious nature. This nakshatra provides them with this quality because they have a very suspicious nature, and this quality hampers their uh, marital life a lot. Although their partners are good and loyal to them, but they have their suspicious nature. So uh, they uh, they never trust easily. So these are the basic qualities what a Mrigasira Nakshatra people have, or what a Mrigasira native has. And now we talk about what Mrigasira Nakshatra actually is. Mrigasira Nakshatra is a neutral nakshatra, and its gun is tamasic gun, and its element is earth. Among the all the nakshatras, it is the last nakshatra which is having earth element. So uh, if you don't know what gun is, if you don't know what elements are, you just check on my Ashwini nakshatra video. In that video I have told each and every basic thing that you want, that you have to know for knowing nakshatra, for studying them. So now let's talk about pad. Each nakshatra, as we all know, has 4 pad. Each nakshatra has 4 subdivisions in it, which are known as pad, and there are 4 pad in one nakshatra. So these so if your moon is placed in is your moon is placed in Mrigasira Nakshatra, and your Mrigasira Nakshatra is sitting in Pad 1, then the zodiac sign which moon will occupy in your D9 chart will be Leo, or it as we are discussing here for the moon, so your moon will occupy zodiac sign Leo. And if any other planet is there or your ascendant is there placed in Mrigasira Nakshatra and Mrigasira Nakshatra is placed in Pad 1, then that planet will be occupying Leo sign in D9, or your ascendant will be occupying Leo sign in D9, that is your D9 ascendant will be Leo rising. So for as far as we are discussing here for specifically for the moon, so we will discuss in terms of the moon. Rest all the planets and the ascendant can be can occupy these signs if they are placed in Mrigasira Nakshatra. So now if your moon is in Mrigasira Nakshatra and it is sitting in Pad 2, then it will occupy Virgo sign in D9. And if it is sitting, if your Mrigasira Nakshatra is sitting in Pad 3, then it will occupy uh, it will occupy Libra sign in D9. And if your Mrigasira Nakshatra is sitting in Pad 4, then your moon will occupy Scorpio sign in D9. So far we have discussed that what is Mrigasira Nakshatra and how are Mrigasira natives and what are their qualities, how their behavior is, their inherent traits are, we have discussed so far. So if you are new to the channel and you want to know about various things of astrology, just subscribe by clicking the subscribe button shown below. And if you have any queries regarding any astrological concept or yourself, you can mail me on my email id shown in the description. And for more information you can check on my Facebook page as well. And so we will meet in the next video dealing with Aradra Nakshatra. And so far we have discussed what we have about Mrigasira. So thank you and goodbye.